Think you know Ferrari? Buckle up, we're speeding through the essentials. This is Ferrari, the prancing horse, relentless performance. Mid-mounted V8, mid-mounted V12, screaming past 7,000 RPMs. Horsepower, 600 to 800 plus, depending on model. 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds for the top dogs. Top speed, north of 210 miles per hour. Carbon fiber chassis, feather-light curb weight, razor-sharp handling. Every corner feels precise. Active wings, ducks downforce tuned for track and road. Driver-focused cockpit, luxury leather telemetry launch control, steering wheel controls. Price tag, expect 6 to 7 figures for exclusivity and heritage. Racing DNA, iconic design, that unmistakable Ferrari roar. Want more deep dives and model comparisons? Smash follow and let's go faster.